Hi students. So we have almost completed wonderful waste chapter in the textbook, right? Only some exercises are left and you have to complete it using the last video that I have sent. See, today in the class we have completed till this exercise we have completed. Yes, here you have to write what is the 5 things you do after going home from school. So पहले आप क्या करते हो वो यहाँ पे लिखना है. Then what do you have to write over here. Like this you have to write this exercise in the notebook. Then if you turn the page, we do not have to do this exercise right now. When you come back to school, we will do this exercise. Let's talk and word building. Both you will do when you come back to school. Then you come to this page. This exercise I have already done in the last video. And you do not have to do this in notebook. When you get your textbook, you have to do this exercise in the textbook only. Okay. Now, today we will start with the new chapter, Bamboo Curry. Now, this chapter is a story about a new dish. Okay. Have you ever eaten a dish made of bamboo? Bamboo तो पता है ना सबको क्या होता है. Bamboo is a type of tree. So bamboo से आपने कभी कोई dish खाई है? It is very rare. We would have not eaten any dish from bamboo. So now from this story we can see that a dish can be made from bamboo. Bamboo के जो roots होते हैं, जो stem होता है, they can be cooked and eaten. So let us understand the story. Now this is a picture story. You have to look at the picture and you have to understand what does the picture want to show. This question can be asked in your exams. We will give you 5-6 pictures and you have to make a story from that picture. Clear? So इस picture में क्या दिखता है? That a mother or a mother-in-law is making food and one person is sitting over there. So कैसी story बनाएंगे हम? So based on all these pictures, you have to make a story. It is given over here. One day, the mother-in-law of Santhal bridegroom cooked a special dish for him when he visited her. Okay, mother-in-law मतलब संथल जो bridegroom था, संथल का bridegroom, his mother-in-law उसकी सास ने उसके लिए एक special dish बनाई थी when he visited her. She made a curry. Now let's see ahead. The curry is delicious. What is it? तो जो संथल bridegroom था उसको करी बहुत ही delicious लगी. He asked कि ये क्या चीज है? What dish is it? So the mother-in-law pointed at the bamboo door. उसमें जो bamboo का सी यहाँ पे there's a door of bamboo. The mother-in-law pointed at the bamboo door and she said it's of bamboo. Next morning, just as he was about to leave, he remembered that there was no bamboo in his village. Okay, when the Santhal bridegroom was leaving, he remembered that उसके village में तो कोई bamboo नहीं था. So how will he make this dish? तो उसने क्या किया? So he removed the bamboo door, carrying it with him. He left for his home. तो उसने क्या किया? वो जो bamboo door था ना, वो निकाल दिया and he carried it with his home. On reaching his village, he told his wife, make curry with this bamboo door. जब उसके घर पहुंचा तो उसने उसकी वाइफ को बोला that please make curry out of this bamboo because उसको bamboo की curry बहुत पसंद आई थी. Then his wife was shocked. She was shocked. How can I make curry out of a bamboo door? वाइफ को शॉक लगा, डोर में से कभी करी बनती है? So wife was shocked. उसने बोला मैं करी में से, डोर में से करी कैसे बनाऊं? So she said, come, I'll help you by chopping up the bamboo, he said. तो संथल bridegroom ने कहा, I will help you, I will cut, I will chop the bamboo. His wife boiled it and boiled it. Later, when her husband tasted it, he said, it's too hard to eat. You don't know how to cook. अब वाइफ को तो करी बनानी आती नहीं थी. So what did she do? She boiled it. She kept on boiling. See here, she is boiling and boiling the bamboo stick. And when the husband tasted the dish, it was not good. It was very hard. So what did the husband say? You don't know how to cook. तुमको तो खाना बनाना ही नहीं आता है. Then what did she do? His wife added more water and boiled it. It is still too hard. I can't eat it. उसने और भी पानी डाला, ठीक है उसमें, बट फिर भी बैम्बू वॉज वेरी वेरी हार्ड. संथल ब्राइडग्रूम कुड नॉट ईट इट. Okay. Then what happened? The in-laws came to visit the young couple that evening. They all laughed at his foolishness. The mother-in-law said, didn't you know the curry was made from the bamboo shoot and not from the bamboo door? So, उसकी जो mother-in-law थे, they came to visit, इन लोग को मिलने आए, and they were very laughing. They were very much laughing on his foolishness. क्या पागल जैसा काम किया था, ऐसा बोल रहे थे. The mother-in-law said कि जो करी था वो बैम्बूज के शूट में से बना था, बैम्बू के डोर में से नहीं बना था. ओके, जो बैम्बू व्हेन इट इज इन द फॉर्म ऑफ अ ट्री, उस तब उसमें से बना था, उसके शूट में से. वो जो बैम्बू का डोर था उसमें से नहीं बना था. एंड दैट इज व्हाई he was made, he was a foolish person. उसने बहुत पागल जैसा काम किया था. Understood? So this was a dish made of bamboo. Now you have to do this exercise. Complete the sentences meaningfully. The bridegroom left with the door of his in-laws' house because it was made of. Door किससे बना था? Door was made of bamboo. बैम्बू का डोर था, इसीलिए ही टुक आउट द होल डोर, इसलिए वो डोर लेके चला गया. एंड देयर वाज नो बैम्बू इन हिज विलेज. उसके विलेज में तो कोई बैम्बू नहीं था. दैट इज व्हाई ही टुक द बैम्बू. द ब्राइडग्रूम वाज अनेबल टू हैव बैम्बू करी इन द एंड बिकॉज. उनको बैम्बू करी खाने को क्यों नहीं मिली? बिकॉज द करी वाज मेड ऑफ बैम्बू शूट. Curry was made of bamboo shoot and not bamboo door. Clear? Okay. Now you have to fill in the blanks. This you have to do in homework. We will discuss in the next class. Clear? Yes. So this is all for today. Bye. Take care and have a nice day.